and Zhao.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Huawei ICT Roadshow 2016. I'm so pleased here to see many familiar faces as well as new friends. Today, also who come from Huawei are Mr. Yan Da, President of Huawei Global Enterprise Business, Mr. Zhao, President of Huawei Cybersecurity and Privacy, and Mr. Zhao, Chairman of Huawei Australia. Thank you for coming. As you know, this is the third year for us to host our ICT Roadshow and Renovic. I would like to take this opportunity to share and emphasize Huawei's key value proposition in Australia, which are innovation, comprehensive solution, local commitment, and reliability. Innovation, Huawei believes that innovation drives industry productivity, increase efficiency, and reduce ICT operation cost. The overall R&D investment of Huawei in 2015 is over $9 billion, and over 50,000 patent applications have been granted worldwide up to date. This helps us to achieve leading position in 5G, optical communication, and IoT as a key standard constituted, as well as the main challenge in cloud computing, according to the latest Gartner report. Today, we also bring the first Australian 5G prototype in Renovic as well. Second, comprehensive solutions. Huawei is a comprehensive end-to-end ICT solution provider, ranging from devices, wireless, wire network, the ICT pipe network to data storage and computing. We offer one-stop shop for our partners and customers. It will also help us understand customer actual needs and able to customize the best suitable solutions. Third, local commitment and reliability. In order to provide better service locally, Huawei established an office in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth. To support local business efficiency with a team of sales solutions and services that have helped and support customers looking for a partner to address their ICT challenges and ensure project delivery. The investment in the National Training and Innovation Center in Sydney also allows us to train and educate a range of people from customers to our technology partners as well as local communities. Huawei creates over 800 jobs in Australia, and most of them are engineers who can focus on providing solutions and technology support to our local customers and partners. As you can see the two photos here, photos, persevere, and breakthrough are Huawei core value, which enable us from a startup $2,000 company become the revenue $60 billion company in the past 28 years. As a global company operates in 170 countries, Huawei has almost 70% revenue outside of China. Cybersecurity is critical to our business. Therefore, we apply the most strict policy both internally and externally to ensure customer long-term security trust. Ms. Zhao, we have a session to introduce Huawei cybersecurity strategy this morning. I sincerely hope we can build a long-term relationship with all our partners and customers to face the ICT transformation challenges in the digital era. Huawei will continue to provide investment and support into local industry and economies, helping to build a better connected Australia. Thank you. Thank you for coming, and please enjoy Huawei 2016 ICT Roadshow. Thank you.